Hi guys, it's Calista from Morocco Nutrifarm here, and today I'll be unboxing the ProGut package that we have sent to you guys at Singapore Pharmacy Week 2023. Let's get started. So first, you'll see that the package is wrapped in a ribbon like this. It is just a simple double knot, so you can just untie it, and you'll see that there are 3 different things in the package. We have our ProGut brochure here, and then we have a ProGut sample box. This has a blister of 10 capsules. On the back here, you'll see that we have a little review sheet here. There is a QR code here, and if you scan this QR code, it'll lead you to a form on our website. Go ahead and fill in that form, and each review that gets filled out will receive a box of 100 ProGut capsules, and the best 3 reviews on this form will receive 3 boxes of ProGut. In case you don't have the sheet, or if you've misplaced it somehow, go ahead and scan the QR code on your screen, fill out the form, and we wish you all the best. Do share this link with your friends, family, and colleagues so that they can participate as well. Thank you guys.